This is your stand for your Meta Quest 3 or 3S or Quest 2 or Meta Quest Pro. This thing can fit all the different quests except I think like the first gen. This is good. Check out this stand, y'all. The box, it's big, but what's cool is that all of these are individual pieces. Check this out. My girlfriend lives 2 states away and this is actually a gift for her. So I'm gonna open this here. I'm going to put it together to charge my Quest 3, because like I said, it works on my Quest 3. She has a Quest 2. I'm gonna put this all together here, try it on the Quest 3, and then take it apart to pack it in my suitcase and then fly up to her and see how well it works with the Quest 2. But first, let's open this up, see what it looks like, see how it works with the Quest 3, and see if you might wanna get it. Oh, sorry, dog. I just hit my dog in the face. First thing we see is make things better. And this, hopefully it will make the Quest 3 experience, at least for me, a whole lot better. On the box, it's gonna give you instructions on how to put it together. So there's no guessing when it comes to this. Let's take the rest out of here. Part 1, part 2. All these pieces are very light, by the way. We have this box in the middle. Okay, and here is the main part where the handles sit. And it's got some buttons right here. More opening of that. We get our user manual and we get this piece. This piece is quite an important piece. This is a piece that's going to be charging your Quest 3, your Quest 2, and it is magnetic. So you can put this into your Quest, and then whenever you put your Quest down on the thing, when you dock it, it's gonna start charging it. How cool is that? I think that's one of the main selling points of this, is that it can basically wireless charge your Quest. You just drop it on and then pull it off when you're ready. This is the actual base. It's got these rubber feet, so it's not gonna slide around. That is good. A little bit of friction. And then you lastly have the stand. I think that's pretty much everything that was in the box. Let's start assembling this. First, we're gonna start with this piece. Now we can go ahead and peel this plastic cover off, and that reveals this. So these can go out, and that's just so you can put your controllers on the out part right here, or if you want to make it a bit more sleek, I guess, you can just fold these in. So that's pretty cool. They completely fold around inside of here. Now you also have these 2 buttons. We'll go over those in a second. This is the power for it. So right here is where you're going to put in a USB Type-C. I'll go ahead and give it a little bit of juice now. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's plugged in. Check that out, y'all. Ooh, RGB. Okay, we could change the mode. It's this button down here. We can flip through all the different modes. That's sweet. We got some like solid colors. We got some breathing effects. There's a lot you can do to customize this. I think my girlfriend would probably like the RGB one. Probably this one. I think she'd find this one the best. And so that's pretty much it for this. Power, and you got your controls right there. So let's go ahead and put the rest of this together. It doesn't seem too hard. We gotta find how to put this part in the stand. So you can see it has these little cutouts. The stand's gonna have little cutouts. You're just gonna wanna line them up, and then it just slots in there like that. Okay, awesome. Next, we're gonna get the base, and we have this tall part, and this tall part is gonna just sit on the base. It only goes in one way as well. So we have the KIWI design facing forward, and then a lot of space back here just for weight balance. And then I think it's just gonna click into place. Soft click into place. And now you got your tower. It's coming together, it's coming together. We have a few more pieces. So we have this part, and we have this part. I don't know what these exactly are for. Okay, it's to help hold your Quest. So this part, the one that kind of looks like it has a helmet, is gonna go on the top here, and then it's just gonna lightly click into place, and then we have it kind of duck out right there. And then this part, this little end piece, just gonna slot it on here. It also, again, only goes in one way. So there's no guessing when it comes to this, and it just snaps on. Thanks, KIWI Design. Check that out. That's a solid stand, y'all. That is a solid flipping stand. I'm just gonna use this portable power bank to demonstrate giving it a little bit of power. Right when you plug it in, the reason why I was like, ooh, earlier is because once it initially gets power, it does a little LED ring. Press the power button. We can see the RGB turns on. I got these extended grips from KIWI Design, all my controllers. Let's see if they will fit in here. I know the stock controller already does, but oh yeah, sits in there just like that. And the regular Quest 2 controllers, the one with the loops, I think you can also put it in here like this, or because of the loops, you can rest it on here. It says like show somewhere on their website where you can rest it, but either or works perfectly fine. I'm just gonna set mine in here like this for now. And then let's talk about the charging. So this little bit, there's a little USB-C part right here, and all you need to do is plug the non-magnetic side down there. I'm just gonna take this out so you can see it a little bit better. And it just sits right here. And it should be able to charge the Quest 3. And we're gonna test that out right now. So this is the stand. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comments below. I think this looks sick. Okay, so everything's pretty much ready. Let's see if this is gonna start charging my Meta Quest. I have a headband from KIWI Design that has a battery pack right here. It plugs into here. I temporarily unplugged it just so we can see if this will work. So let's say we take this little magnet bit. We're just gonna stick it on the headset. We're just gonna click it in. And then when we go to put it to charge, we should just magnetically click into place. Look at that. Okay, oh, and it turned green. It went green. It started charging. Ah, that's so cool, guys. And you can see that the Quest 3 is just sitting on the back right here. It's perfectly balanced. Even with this much bigger aftermarket head strap, it sits perfectly fine on here. And then when you want to game, all you gotta do is just pull it off. Imagine that. I'm like speechless right now. This is gonna make gaming so much better. Remember, you don't need to use the extended battery pack on the KIWI Design, the aftermarket headset. I mean, this headset is so comfortable that I don't really want to use a different headband, and I don't always need the extra battery, so I don't need to always have this plugged in. It's actually much more convenient to just have it unplugged unless I'm going on a trip or want to use it for an extended period of time, and then when I'm done with it, just come here and drop it on the charger, just like that. Just boom, and it's charging, green light. What? Okay, this is actually really cool. Like, this is awesome. I love wireless charging. I always wireless charge my phone. I love it so much. I do it all the time. And this is just so much cooler. Like, let's say you wanna get up to go, I don't know, wash the dishes, but you wanna take your Quest 3 with you so you could have, you know, a YouTube video next to you. It's charging, it's fine, just pull it off, and you're good to go. All right, it's time to go to sleep. It's time to take a shower. We're done for the night. All you gotta do is line it up, drop it on there. Do you see how easy that was? I didn't even have to think about it. That's so sick. And then with the controllers too, we're done with the controllers for the night. We're just gonna go boom, and we're just gonna go boom, and they sit just like this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's such an awesome docking station for the Quest 3. I love it. Okay, I'm a little bit sad because I already told my girlfriend that she can have this, but I might need to pick up another one because I want one for myself now. Should I just tell her it didn't get delivered? Is she gonna hate me? She probably would, but this thing is really cool. It might be worth it. I don't know, it might be worth it. Guys, let me know what I do in the comments below about that. But speaking of below, I'll have this stand in the description below if you want to pick it up for yourself. I think it's really cool. If you already have this stand or a different stand, or you have a better way of storing your Quest, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear it. And if you have any other modifications or aftermarket accessories for your Quest 3, Quest 2, Quest 3S, I want to hear it because I'm all about, you know, getting more battery life out of this, making this more convenient for me, all these different features. I like the Quest 3, and I love the accessories that these aftermarket companies can come up with for it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for unboxing this with me. Let's go fly up to Washington really quick, and we'll see how well this works with the Quest 2. My girlfriend's Quest 2, just chilling on top of it. Look at that. The controllers for the Quest 2 fit perfectly right here on the bottom, and the Quest 2 sits like a king on the top. Just drop it down here, the magnet is going to lock, and then it starts charging. Check that out. Look how easy that is. So imagine you're walking up to it, you come up to it, you want to use it, you just grab it, boom. go ahead and use it. You want the controllers? Okay, go ahead and use it. That is how simple this stand is for the Meta Quest 2. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I love just being able to grab it and then drop it down, and it's always going to be charging. This charging interface is actually so cool. It bends, so it's adaptable for the Quest 2 and then for the Quest 3, because the charging is at different heights. The headband that's from KIWI Design has this little magnet bit. So if you look at the difference, you can see that when you plop it on, it'll start charging the Quest 2. Now, one thing is that you do kind of have to align it. If you move it too much, it will obviously stop charging, but I haven't really found that to be an issue. I usually just come up, grab it, and then drop it down, and it starts charging. Sometimes it will do this, so just ensure it clicks in like that. That's the only thing really, and you'll have a fully charged Quest 2. Now that I've shown you how it looks with the Quest 3 and with the Quest 2, let's go over some specs about it. So this thing is made for Meta. The KIWI Design QC03 RGB vertical stand, it's authorized by Meta and compatible with the Meta Quest 3, Meta Quest 2, and Meta Quest Pro. Let's now move on to the charging, right? It's like the most important thing. You get effortless charging and displaying. The magnetic USB Type-C connector is great for the easy headset placement and charging, simplifying the process for the Quest 3, Quest 2, and your Quest Pro. It has a unique single-point charging ecosystem, so we can connect the Quest 3 with the battery strap or any strap, right? As long as we have the magnetic part plugged into the USB-C, and then just drop it down. Now, the Quest 2, as you can see, KIWI Design makes a headset where the extended battery pack has a magnet built into it. So you can already just drop this down. This is perfect for if you have a Quest 2 and a Quest 3. If you have both of these, just give the Quest 3 the magnet and both can wirelessly charge, alternatively. You have 16 optimal RGB lights. The RGB light circle on the stand creates a cool effect. Come on, you gotta love it. It embraces the gaming atmosphere and adds a really nice, sleek look to it. This dock, being vertical, should also clear up a lot of space on your desk, since it can hold both the controllers and the headset itself. As you saw earlier, it has an easy setup and use. With a modular design, with that push-to-fit assembly, it simplifies the setup and customization. Again, it's also accredited by Meta, so you get top performance and top quality with this unit. So thanks KIWI Design for making this. Thanks KIWI Design for sending me one. And if you want to check one out for yourself, you should at least check it out, okay? At least test it. Get it to test it on your Quest 3. I really like it. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. I can maybe make a video or respond to you. Either way, I'll have a discount code for you. Make sure you check that out. It'll help you out a little bit. And so you can pick one of these up for yourself or someone you know. Thank you guys for opening this with me. Make sure you subscribe to see more Quest 3 videos, because we'll have a lot more of these, and Quest 2 videos. My girlfriend has a Quest 2, so we're gonna be playing around with those a lot coming soon.